welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking on this video. So today I am back with another haul. I haven't filmed a haul in a while, but I'm back. I'm filming a spring/summer haul and it's a collective one. So I got a lot of stuff from Boohoo. I haven't opened those, and I've got a few bits from Shein, Pretty Little Thing and Jordan ones, as you can see in the title. So yeah, let's get right into it. So the first item is a romper or play suit, I guess, but on a thing it's called a romper. This is from Pretty Little Thing. It was on sale and it was £8, I believe. And it's really comfortable. It's stretchy, ribbed. It's not really jersey. It's just stretchy, ribbed material. I think this is perfect for summer. I wear it on my birthday holiday as well to Mallorca. It's just nicely fitted. It hugs your figure and it's comfortable. You can dress it up with heels. You can dress it down with a denim jacket and some white Air Forces. It's just a go-to outfit. Really comfortable as well. I like this one. This one's a good one. Next is this graphic jumper that says Las Vegas. Does it? Los Angeles. Makes sense. And it's just got palm trees and Venice Beach. And it's got right in here, I can't even read that. Basically, this jumper, this is supposed to be the back of the jumper, and the back is plain, but I really like the front, so I bought it knowing this is the back, and knowing that I was going to wear the back to the front. So you can't really read what this says because it's the wrong way around, but I don't mind, because it bangs. Well, this is from Shein, and I believe this was £15. This was on sale as well, so this was £15, and I got it in a size small. Because I like all of my jumpers a bit oversized. Like extra small would have fit me perfectly, but I like all of my jumpers to be jumpery and not slim fit. So I've paired it with some cycling shorts from I Saw It First as well. I think I said this was from Shein. I was supposed to say I Saw It First. So this whole outfit is from I Saw It First. And yeah, I just pair them together. Just a cute fit, cute comfy fit. Forgot some of these are, so we're gonna see it together. Oh, I remember. Oh, really? Basically, I ordered khaki tracksuit bottoms. I didn't know it came as a set. You've really outdone yourself. I'm a happy bunny. I'm a very happy bunny. These khaki joggers, they're like cargo design, so you know, with the pocket on the side and they go all the way down. They're really comfortable. They're slim fit joggers. Okay, so I have this white simple plunge long sleeve bodysuit from Boohoo. This was, I think, £8 or £6. It was from the basic section, so it was quite cheap. It's rib material, really stretchy. I have long arms, so when you see like a top fits my whole arm, you know it's a good top because my arms are long. I have long limbs, so yeah, it fits perfectly. This is a size 8. I really like this top. I know Primark have similar ones, but I couldn't find a bodysuit one, and I love the bodysuit fit, how it just goes nicely into your joggers or trousers, because I like tucking things in, so bodysuits are perfect for me. I got these two to pair together, but I didn't realise that the joggers came as a tracksuit, so I also got this jumper, so I might as well try this on as well. And it was really good for the price. I think I thought the joggers were 15, not knowing that the whole tracksuit is 15. And it's a nice tracksuit for £15. £15, guys. If you know me, you know I love a tracksuit as well, especially during exam season. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, this is really nice. It's really cozy. I might wear this today even. And it's not like your basic khaki. It's got like a, I don't know, like a brownish hint. Can you see what I mean? Like against my wardrobe. Like a nice, calm khaki. Plus Air Forces. Basically, everything plain, everything summer, everything spring goes with Air Forces. Tip of the day, purchase Air Forces, white Air Forces for summer. That's all. Is this blue or black? I got this black cropped denim jacket. Basically, I was going to get one from Topshop. I clicked on it, I saw £42. I closed the tab because nobody has that coin for a crop jacket. So I went on a hunt and I didn't even have to look for too long, and then I came across this flat boohoo and it's basically what I wanted. So yeah, it's a cropped black denim jacket, cute. The arms are cropped as well. So it's just like a summery jacket. This outfit will not work ever, but I'm just showing you this because I can't bother to take off the rest yet. But yeah, this is in a size 8 as well. Maybe I should have gone a size up. I don't know if I like this cropped arm thingy. I might return it and get a size up. I do like my jackets a bit oversized. Or should I try something different? I don't know. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. This cute side bag. This is from Boohoo as well. Just a really basic black bag. The only side bag that I have is navy, so I really needed just a black one because the navy one, it goes with most outfits, but sometimes like if my outfit has a lot of blue in it, adding the navy bag is just too much. But black goes with literally everything, so I just got this cute navy bag. I forgot how much it is. I think it was like maybe £10. But everything's going to be linked down in the description box below, so you guys can purchase all of these as well. And yeah, cute, right? Best or last and all of that. So if you don't know, I love trainers. Like, I am a sneakerhead. I love trainers. I always have, always will. Don't know what it is about them, I just love them. The comfort, the designs, the colours, all of it. I love all of them. I've also recently started a trainer page, so it's just an Instagram page where I just post my trainers because I just like taking pictures of my trainers. So yeah, I'll put that right here. Go check that out. Follow and all of that. And yeah, so let's get into the Air Jordan 1 unboxing. So these are the black / infrared 23 white Air Jordan 1 mid. They are size 5 UK, €38, 5.5 youth, I'm guessing in America. I chose this colour in particular because I love how the red just stands out. It brightens the whole shoe. Yeah, and the red against the white and the black, as I said before, black goes with everything, and then the white just makes the logo stand out even more. They are so comfortable, super duper comfortable. I've worn them out once, but that was just to, like, you know, when you have to break in the shoe. I literally wore them out for like an hour just to break them in. They're so comfortable. They also came with white laces in case you are want to switch up your laces a lot. Me personally, I love to keep the, you know, the tissue that comes in the shoe. I love to always put that back into my shoes because I found that that personally makes the shoe like not crease quickly because you're putting pressure into it. And I like to keep all my shoe boxes as well, keep them packaged and as clean as possible, like how they came. I use baby wipes to clean all of my trainers. I use crack protect as well, just to make sure that my shoe keeping game is quite good, if I must say myself. Yeah guys, so we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment and please subscribe as well. And yeah, let me know if you like these videos and I'll do more. Bye guys.